Alright guys, so we're painting. My daughters and Brennan are here. Getting some paint on the ceilings. Jenna just sitting around. Brennan is putting the lights up. Lots of storage already filled up with junk. But we're about spackled, started taping, and we're going to paint the walls today. So we should start to make some big changes. Got this upper handrail done yesterday. Brennan and I knocked this out while they were painting ceilings. The slide is going to go right here. It'll almost be up this high, and it's going to go down onto the bottom rail and shoot people off on the upper deck. This is where this front piece right here is going to be for solar panels. Can't walk on it anyway. Got the new horn. It's not hooked up. But that's about, I think, 125 decibels, so it'd be nice and loud. I think it's looking pretty cool. Not traditional, but looking cool. Get a couple biminis, one for up there and one for down here. And then the big slide. Go from there to when I get the handrail across the back. Alright, so we got some painting done. Got the lights up. We got some 2 coat, some 1 coat. We got the gray on. Ceiling's done. It's getting late, so I don't know how well you can see. This came out pretty good. It was riddled with holes. Gonna have blue cabinets. My 2 daughters are still here. Painting the doors. I think we are going to put white on the boards, give it a little accent. It's getting kind of dark. There, now you can see better. I forgot they actually work. It's been a little while. We finally got some warm temperature and got the crew out here painting. There's Brennan and Bailey and Jen getting the black paint on. We got.
You boys almost caught up with me already.
Thank you. Got some of the blue stripe done, white paint done, the blue up on the top.
I know, that's why the furniture broke so bad, so I had to take a break every once in a while and sit on something.
Got the blue stripe there's a teal one here. That one's going to go away. It's going to be white so that I can maintain the curb right here with caulking. But the bottom's getting painted black. Sides are white and done. A lot of the insides done being painted too. That's temporarily put up, but it's looking a lot better. That'll be blue up there. I gotta do some work on the back windows, but that can be done on the water too.